Hello and welcome to our channel where we explore the world, one destination at a time. Today we are taking you on a virtual tour of South India, a land of diverse cultures, traditions, and breathtaking landscapes. From ancient temples to stunning beaches, from serene backwaters to bustling cities, South India has something for everyone. So, sit back, relax, and let's explore 10 must-visit places in South India. Munnar, located in the Western Ghats, is a popular hill station known for its tea plantations, misty hills, and breathtaking views. The town's refreshing weather and peaceful surroundings make it a perfect destination for a relaxing vacation. Hampi, located in Karnataka, is a UNESCO World Heritage Site and one of the most important archaeological sites in South India. The ruins of this ancient city, dating back to the 14th century, are a testament to the glorious past of the Vijayanagara Empire. Pondicherry, also known as Puducherry, is a former French colony known for its stunning beaches, colonial architecture, and delicious cuisine. The town's French Quarter, with its colorful buildings and cobbled streets, is a major attraction for tourists. Alleppey, located in Kerala, is known for its serene backwaters and houseboat cruises. The town's natural beauty, with its lush greenery and tranquil canals, makes it a perfect destination for a peaceful getaway. Mahabalipuram, located in Tamil Nadu, is a UNESCO World Heritage Site and one of the most important historical sites in South India. The town's ancient temples, rock-cut caves, and stunning sculptures are a testament to the rich history and culture of the region. Coorg, located in Karnataka, is a beautiful hill station known for its coffee plantations, waterfalls, and trekking trails. The town's lush greenery and scenic landscapes make it a popular destination for nature lovers. Ooty, located in Tamil Nadu, is a popular hill station known for its pleasant climate, stunning landscapes, and colonial-era buildings. The town's toy train ride, botanical gardens, and tea plantations are major attractions for tourists. Kanyakumari, located at the southernmost tip of India, is known for its stunning beaches, temples, and vibrant culture. The town's Vivekananda Rock Memorial, situated on a small island, is a major attraction for tourists. Cochin, located in Kerala, is a historic port city known for its Chinese fishing nets, colonial-era buildings, and spice markets. The town's Jewish Quarter and Mattancherry Palace are major attractions for tourists. Bangalore, the capital city of Karnataka, is a bustling metropolis known for its vibrant culture, modern architecture, and lush green parks. The city's Vidhana Sudha, Lal Bagh Botanical Gardens, and Bangalore Palace are major attractions for tourists. And that concludes our list of 10 must-visit places in South India. We hope you enjoyed this virtual tour and found some inspiration for your next trip. If you have visited any of these places, do share your experiences in the comments below. And don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more such travel content. Thanks for watching and happy travels.